좋아요, 구독 눌러주세요.
Hello guys, welcome back to ORT Reading Time. I'm your favorite uncle, Uncle Wani.
기인초등학교 2학년 이하진입니다.
이야, 박수! 초등학교 2학년 이어진 친구와 함께 오늘 책을 읽어볼 텐데요.
그 전에 I've heard Ajin had a really special magic.
이 안에는 아무것도 없어요.
우와,
진짜 없어요 아무것도?
여기에 다시 손을 넣어봐요.
오 마이 갓. 뭐야? 개미! 뭐야?
이거 어떻게 한 거지? 마술. 와, 다시 없어질 수 있어요?
우와, it's gone. 우리 어진 친구 정말 짱이에요. Okay guys, the book of today, hiccups. We can see that Keeper, something wrong with. 과연 우리 키퍼에게 무슨 일이 생긴 걸까요? Hiccups.
Kipper was having fun with Lee.
Keeper was having fun with Lee. 이거 한번 읽어볼래요?
Kipper was having fun with Lee.
와우, 발음이 너무너무 좋아요. 키퍼는 친구 리와 함께 놀고 있어요.
They had a drink,
They had a drink.
said Kipper. He had hiccups.
Oh my god. Hic, said Kipper. He had hiccup. Oh, high five.
Quick, get a cup of water, said Lee.
Quick, get a cup of water, said Lee.
Did that get rid of the hiccups? Said Lee.
Did that get rid of the hiccups? Said Lee.
Said Kipper.
그냥 물을 마시면 이게 안 없어지네. 어떻게 마셔야 되지?
Drink it like this, said Biff.
이거 한번 읽어볼까요?
Drink it like this, said Biff.
와우, 잘했어요.
Did that get rid of them? Said Biff.
Did that get rid of them? Said Biff.
Said Kipper.
Hic, said Kipper.
Try hopping and patting your tongue, said Chip.
Try hopping and patting your thumb, said Chip. 될까? 뛰면서 이렇게 배를 두드리면 없어질까?
Has that got rid of them? Said Chip.
Has that got rid of them? Said Chip.
Said Kipper.
Said Kipper. 어진아 어떡해? 키퍼가
He tried to drink water. He tried to drink water like this. And he tried to hopping and patting his thumb, but it's still not working. 키퍼에게 아무것도 소용이 없네요.
A shock will get rid of it, said Biff.
A shock will get rid of it, said Biff. 오, 뭔가 쇼킹. 놀래키거나 이렇게 하면은 과연 없어질까요?
Said Biff.
said Biff.
Then,
Then
boo!
하나 같이 하는 거야. 부 크게. 부! 부! 한 부. 너무 잘한다.
You did it, said Kipper.
You did it, said Kipper.
You got rid of my hiccups.
You got rid of my hiccups. 우리가 방금 크게 놀래켜줘가지고 키퍼가 딸꾹질을 멈췄어. 하이파이브! 잘했어. 어진이 짱이야. 잘했어.
Said Grandpa Chen.
Said Grandpa Chen. Oh my god. 키퍼가 히컵이 없어진 대신 첸 할아버지가 옮았어요. Alright, this is the end of the book. Hiccup. Okay, guys. Let's find out the keywords in the book hiccups. First word, hiccup.
달꾹질.
이야. 자, hiccup. 여러분 말 그대로 hiccup. 한번 같이 해볼까요? 오, hiccup. 자, 두 번째 단어는 drink. 자, drink 뭔가요?
마시다.
이야, 박수. 물을 마시다. 이야, 우유를 마시다. High five. 이야, 너무 잘했어요. Next word is shock. shock. 우리 아까 shock, 키퍼, shock 할 때 부라고 했잖아요. 부 한번 해볼까요? 부. 아, 맞아요. 놀래키다. shock. 놀래키다.
이렇게 친구들에게 shock 할 때는 shock 들어가서 shock 해주면 돼요. 알겠죠? shock 들어가서
Alright guys, this is the end of ORT reading time. 즐거웠나요? Thanks again for watching our ORT Future Pack TV. And please write a comment. Could be any book you want us to read to you from ORT collections. 좋아요, 구독 많이 많이 남겨주세요. 자, 그럼 바이바이.
ORT Future Pack.
구독, 좋아요.
눌러주세요.